Have you ever paused to consider the profound impact artificial intelligence has on our daily lives? This is not a question of science fiction, but a reality of the world we live in today. In our interconnected digital age, artificial intelligence has become as commonplace as smartphones and social media. From the moment we wake up, AI is subtly influencing our decisions and experiences. The alarm that wakes us up, it's not just a standard alarm, it's a smart device that learns our sleeping patterns and wakes us up at the optimal time. The news you read over breakfast? It's not just any news, it's a personalized feed, curated by AI algorithms that understand your interests and preferences. As we navigate through our day, AI continues to shape our experiences. In the digital realm, AI powers the social media algorithms that decide which posts to show us, and the voice assistants that set our reminders and answer our queries. In the physical world, AI is transforming industries, from the way we shop to the way we commute. In the healthcare sector, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics and patient care. Machine learning algorithms can now predict diseases, analyze medical images, and even assist in surgeries. In finance, AI is optimizing risk assessment, fraud detection, and investment strategies. It's not just about efficiency, it's about accuracy, precision, and personalized service. And let's not forget transportation. AI is at the heart of the self-driving car revolution. It's the technology that allows vehicles to navigate traffic, recognize pedestrians, and make split-second decisions. But the influence of AI extends beyond these practical applications. It's also shaping our society and culture. AI is challenging our notions of privacy, security, and even creativity, as it writes songs, paints pictures, and composes poetry. So the next time you ask your voice assistant for the weather forecast or scroll through your personalized news feed, remember the advanced technology that's making it all possible. Indeed, AI is not just the future, it's the present, subtly influencing our everyday decisions and experiences. At the heart of AI lies a concept known as machine learning. Machine learning, in its simplest form, is the practice of training machines to understand and interpret data. It's a type of artificial intelligence that allows a system to learn from past experiences. It's like giving the machine a brain of its own, enabling it to make decisions, predictions, and even mistakes, just like a human would. Machine learning is a key pillar of AI, and it's everywhere. It's the invisible force behind many services we use and love today. Take Netflix, for instance. You know those personalized show recommendations you get? That's machine learning at work. Netflix uses machine learning algorithms to analyze your viewing history, compare it with that of millions of other viewers, and then make incredibly accurate predictions about what you might enjoy watching next. But it's not just about recommending the next binge-worthy series. Machine learning is also used in more crucial areas like healthcare and finance. In healthcare, machine learning algorithms can analyze large amounts of medical data to predict disease patterns, helping doctors diagnose illnesses more accurately and quickly. In finance, it's used to detect fraudulent transactions by learning to recognize patterns that indicate fraudulent activity. Machine learning is also the backbone of many cutting-edge technologies. Self-driving cars, for instance, depend on machine learning to navigate through traffic. They learn from countless hours of driving data, understanding how to interpret road signs, detect pedestrians, and make split-second decisions. Similarly, in robotics, machine learning enables robots to learn from their environment and adapt accordingly. Whether it's a robot learning to pick up delicate objects without breaking them, or a chatbot learning to understand human language and respond intelligibly, machine learning is the driving force. So, as you can see, machine learning is not just a fancy term, it's a powerful technology that's transforming our lives in countless ways. It's helping us make sense of the massive amounts of data we generate every day, and using that data to make our lives better, safer, and more convenient. Thus, machine learning is the engine that drives the AI revolution, turning raw data into valuable insights. Yet, there's a more sophisticated subset of machine learning that's gaining traction: deep learning. Deep learning is a more complex and advanced version of machine learning, and it's been causing quite a stir in the world of artificial intelligence. Imagine machine learning as a garden, where you plant seeds and nurture them to grow into plants. In contrast, deep learning is like a forest, a rich, vibrant ecosystem where each tree, each plant, and each creature plays a crucial role, interacting with each other in complex ways. Deep learning employs artificial neural networks, which are inspired by the human brain's structure and function. These networks are composed of layers of nodes, each node representing a mathematical operation. Data flows through these layers, getting transformed along the way, much like thoughts flowing through our brains. What sets deep learning apart is its ability to self-learn patterns and execute tasks that were previously thought to be the exclusive domain of human intelligence. These could range from recognizing a cat in a photo to understanding the nuances of human speech. This game-changing technology is having profound impacts across various sectors. For instance, computer vision, a field that enables computers to see and interpret visual information, owes much of its progress to deep learning. This technology is instrumental in developing self-driving cars, where it helps recognize traffic signs, pedestrians, and other vehicles. Similarly, in the world of healthcare, deep learning is revolutionizing disease diagnosis. By analyzing thousands of medical images, deep learning models can identify patterns that may be invisible to the human eye. This capability is proving invaluable in detecting diseases like cancer at early stages, potentially saving countless lives. In finance, deep learning algorithms can crunch vast amounts of data to predict market trends, helping investors make informed decisions. Deep learning, therefore, is not just a subset of machine learning, it's a game changer that's opening up new vistas of possibilities. It's a technology that's pushing the boundaries of what machines can learn and do, and it's reshaping our world in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. Deep learning, therefore, is pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve, unlocking new possibilities across various sectors. While both machine learning and deep learning are integral parts of AI, they are not the same. Now that's a statement that might have you scratching your head in confusion, but don't worry, let's break it down. You can think of machine learning as the cornerstone of artificial intelligence. It's like a smart student who can learn from examples and experiences. Give it a set of data, and it will start making predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to perform the task. It's pretty impressive, right? Deep learning, on the other hand, is like the valedictorian of the AI class. It's a subset of machine learning, but it's more complex and sophisticated. Deep learning algorithms are designed to mimic the human brain's own learning process. They use something called neural networks, which are designed to recognize patterns in the same way our brains do. Now let's talk about the differences. The first major difference is the amount of data they need. Machine learning can work with a smaller data set, while deep learning needs a much larger one. Think of it this way, the more information deep learning has, the better it becomes at making accurate predictions. The second difference is the computational power required. Deep learning algorithms are a lot more complex, and therefore they require more computing power. They're like high-performance sports cars, they need a lot of fuel to run at their best. But what does this mean for their applications? Machine learning is great for tasks that require decision-making based on a set of rules or patterns. It's widely used in applications like email spam filters or recommendation systems. Deep learning, however, shines when dealing with large amounts of unstructured data. It's perfect for tasks like image and speech recognition and natural language processing, which require a deeper level of understanding and interpretation. So, while machine learning and deep learning both fall under the AI umbrella, they have distinct attributes and use cases. They're both powerful tools in the world of AI, but they have their own strengths and weaknesses, much like us humans. It's clear that AI, powered by machine learning and deep learning, is a transformative force. But let's take a moment to revisit the key points we've discussed so far. We began our journey by exploring the pervasive impact of AI in our daily lives. From the moment we wake up to the moment we go to sleep, AI subtly shapes our experiences. It curates our music playlists, optimizes our online searches, and even assists us in navigating traffic. This ever-present influence of AI is due to two underlying technologies, machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning, we learned, is the backbone of AI. It's a process where algorithms learn from data, improving their performance without being explicitly programmed. It's the magic behind your email filter's ability to distinguish between important mails and spam, the reason your shopping app seems to know your preferences eerily well. On the other hand, deep learning adds a new layer of complexity. It's a subfield of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers, or deep networks. This allows the AI to learn and make decisions on a level that can seem almost human. It's the technology behind voice assistants understanding your commands, or self-driving cars recognizing a pedestrian. But what's the difference between these two? Well, while they both involve learning from data, Deep learning is more about mimicking human decision-making. It's a more complex system, capable of handling vast amounts of data and making sense of it in a sophisticated, nuanced way. Machine learning, meanwhile, is more straightforward, focusing on task-specific algorithms that improve over time. As we continue to harness the power of AI, it's crucial to understand these underlying technologies and their potential to reshape our world. From robotics and self-driving cars to healthcare and finance, the possibilities are endless. And so, we find ourselves at the forefront of a technological revolution, one that promises to redefine our understanding of intelligence itself.